Hi.
Hi.
Well, we got rain on us, so
Yeah.
yeah. We don't know what we're doing.
Mhm.
So, today we have Sharon here,
And Chelsea.
yep, and Sharon's still here from yesterday.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Well.
Right now we're just watching TV. Nothing much happening. Just walk the dogs and all that stuff.
And we're bored today.
Yep. We really have nothing to do today. So I just made this video just for you.
Yeah. And I'm gonna post on YouTube.
Yep.
And you guys better watch us. Better.
Yeah, Sharon is thirsty and hungry for some viewers. So, yeah. Dun 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 dun. We already just did.
Oh, too bad.
Anyway, it's a rainy day today.
Yes.
Very rainy.
And that's why we put the rain.
Yep.
Screen.
Yep, screen cover. So
And that's
now,
why we're in time.
yep. So, yeah. Pretty good. It's pretty good here, you know. You know what I'm saying, guys.
Yeah.
Cool.
We have animals.
Yep, like 11 animals here.
Yes.
But it's not ours.
Yeah.
But
Well, tarantula and
snake,
yeah.
2 rats, two,
3 dogs.
cats, 3 dogs,
3 cats.
I would say that. That's really it.
And
Blanco.
the ferret.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Well, we just went to introduce ourselves again.
Yeah.
And so, yeah.
If you saw Cubby the lady, that's hers.
Yes.
If you saw the nerding geek, that's us. We didn't put a screen cover.
Yeah. That's the only time we're not going to put a screen.
Yes. So that's why we're here.
Yep.
And yeah. So we're not having that much fun, but we're okay. So.
Yep. Just talking to each other, watching TV. Yep. Pretty boring. Okay. Well, I'm about to wrap this video up. So hopefully subscribe, rate, comment.
Yeah, write a comment if it's good.
Like.
You know.
Yeah.
If you type in Lizzie Mink Garcia, you kind of see us. Well, in one video, yeah.
Yeah. So
go on, Lizzie Mink Garcia.
Yes, I think they were watching my channel already. Anyway. Anyway.
No, I'm not. I think it's a billion Jillies.
Okay. Anyway. Well, we're gonna wrap this video up right now. So hopefully I see you later. Bye.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah. Bye.